Hello YouTube. Welcome to today's project. What we have here is an A.R.E truck canopy with a broken lock. It does not work with either the key or the electric function. The rear glass cannot be opened due to this. Here is a simple wire coat hanger cut and bent to this shape. It will be used to engage the latch release. I'm inserting an inflatable air wedge to create a gap for accessing the latch release. It's hard to see here. I will show it better in a minute. I got the left side unlatched. Now for the right side. This is the view that was hard to show when the hatch was closed. Insert the coat hanger tool into the holes in the latches and push inwards. Let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.